Welcome back to Brittology. Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly seeing a motorhome that looks like it came straight out of a billionaire's dream. This is the 20 Million Crystal Motorhome, a rolling palace designed for those who want ultimate luxury even while traveling across the world. From the outside, it already looks futuristic, with a sleek aerodynamic body, massive panoramic windows, and elegant lighting that makes it shine like a moving jewel at night. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The moment the door opens, you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a five-star luxury hotel than a vehicle. Crystal accents sparkle across the interior, reflecting soft ambient lighting that changes colors depending on the mood. The floors are polished marble, while the walls feature handcrafted panels combined with delicate crystal decorations. Every corner of this motorhome is designed to show elegance and perfection. The living area is one of the most breathtaking spaces inside the Crystal Motorhome. Huge plush sofas made from premium Italian leather are arranged around a futuristic entertainment system. A massive ultra-thin 8K screen rises automatically from a hidden cabinet, creating a private cinema experience. Surround sound speakers are carefully built into the walls so the entire room fills with crystal-clear audio. Whether you want to watch movies, play games, or relax with music, the experience feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Next comes the dining area, which looks like it belongs inside a royal palace. A custom crystal chandelier hangs above a beautifully designed dining table made from rare polished wood and crystal inlays. The table can seat several guests comfortably, making it perfect for hosting exclusive dinners. Even while traveling across the country, the lighting softly reflects through the crystals, creating a magical atmosphere every time someone sits down for a meal. The kitchen inside this 20 million motorhome is nothing short of extraordinary. Built with premium stainless steel and marble countertops, it includes high-end appliances usually found in luxury mansions. There's a smart refrigerator that tracks food supplies, an advanced cooking station, and hidden storage compartments that open with a gentle touch. Everything is designed to make cooking easy, efficient, and incredibly stylish. Moving further inside, the master bedroom reveals the true meaning of comfort. A massive king-size bed sits in the center, surrounded by soft lighting and elegant crystal decorations embedded in the walls. The mattress is custom designed to provide perfect support during travel, ensuring the owner sleeps like royalty even while the vehicle is moving. Large panoramic windows allow travelers to wake up to breathtaking views of mountains, oceans, or city skylines. Next to the bedroom is the luxury bathroom, which feels more like a private spa. The floors are heated marble. The shower is surrounded by glass and crystal details, and the bathtub is large enough to deliver a relaxing soak after a long journey. High-tech mirrors include smart displays that show weather updates, travel routes, and personal notifications while you prepare for the day. Technology plays a huge role inside the Crystal Motorhome. The entire vehicle is controlled through an advanced smart system. With just a tablet or voice command, the owner can adjust lighting, temperature, window shades, entertainment systems, and even security features. Everything responds instantly, creating a seamless and futuristic living experience. Of course, a motorhome worth $20 million also focuses on privacy and security. The windows are made with special, smart glass that can instantly switch from transparent to fully tinted. Advanced cameras and sensors monitor the surroundings, ensuring safety wherever the vehicle travels. Even when parked in remote locations, the owner can feel completely secure. One of the most impressive features of this Crystal Motorhome is the rooftop lounge area. With a single command, a hidden staircase extends upward, leading to a stunning open-air deck. Comfortable seating, stylish lighting, and a mini bar transform the roof into the perfect place to relax under the stars. Whether it's enjoying a sunset by the ocean or watching city lights from above, this rooftop space offers unforgettable moments. Powering this luxury giant is a powerful engine, combined with advanced suspension technology that keeps the ride smooth and stable. Despite its size and weight, the motorhome glides across highways with surprising elegance. Special soundproofing materials ensure the interior stays peaceful and quiet, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the luxury environment. But perhaps the most fascinating thing about the $20 million Crystal Motorhome is the attention to detail. Every handle, every light fixture, and every decorative piece has been carefully selected to match the theme of crystal elegance. Designers spent countless hours perfecting every inch of the interior, so that the motorhome feels more like a masterpiece than a vehicle. For the ultra-rich, this motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a symbol of status, comfort, and freedom. Owners can travel anywhere they want without sacrificing the lifestyle they're used to instead of staying in hotels.